Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my English class or online class. My subject is English second paper for class 9 and 10. So dear viewers and students, my dear students, how are you? Fine, thank you. So I think you are all okay because you are at home and be safe at your home. So thank you. So now start your class and listen to this carefully. So dear students, I am to discuss about English second paper question number 1, gap filling activities. Gap filling activities. So dear students, it is one of them easy questions, and if you try to find all the gaps that are in 8 words for each gaps, but you will have to fill in the gaps, 10 gaps for 8 gaps. You can use more than once than onwards. Do you understand? So I think it will be easy for you to fill in the gaps if you read the passage carefully and try to understand all the meanings. So if you don't feel to realize that I am not understand all the meanings, no need. But one thing is that just guess the meaning of this passage. That is enough for you to fill in the gaps. So here is the passage and here is the clues. That means fill in the gaps with clues activities. Our freedom fighters gave the real heroes. Next gave our country. We should remember them as they gave their lives for gave causes of our motherland. It gave a matter of great regret that most of them are neglected and our young generation does not give about their valiant struggle. Yet today many gave the real freedom fighters have not been gave out and established. Some of them gave very poor life. The authority in power should take right step to enlist them, and this is the last gap, them proper honor. So dear students, do you understand the meaning of this passage? So it will be easy for you to realize this passage if you underline your difficult words. So as like here is the clues or words that like valiant. That is valiant. That means biruttopurn. Heroes, bir. Enlist, talika korun. Regret, dukher bishoy. Established, protishthito. Sacrifice, utsorgo kora. Here is the, suppose this is the difficult words for you. So it is the meaning of these words. So now this time you will try to guess the meaning again and read the passage again. After 2 or 3 times you have finished the passage reading, while reading, then try to guess the meaning. I am sure that you have after finishing 2 or 3 times reading, then you will realize the meaning of this passage. So this is the theory to realize this passage. So now first gap, freedom fighters. This is the first gap. The next word is the real heroes. Our freedom fighters gave the real heroes. So what will be the first answer for the first gap? What will be the first answer for the first gap? So you will have to think very clearly. So first think about yourself that what will be the correct answer of this meaning of these lines, of this line. So আমাদের মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা dash the real heroes প্রকৃত বীর. So what will be the first gap answer? So try to guess the meaning, then finally I will fill in this gap. মানে দিছি আর কি, একটু টাইম দিছি। So dear students, I think you have finished your reading and already mentioned that what will be the answer for the first gap. So I think so. Here is the clue B. That means M is R was where. This is B for M is R was where. So what will be the correct? Our freedom fighters are the real heroes. মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা আমাদের প্রকৃত বীর. That is the right answer. So now next gap, heroes gap our country. Gap our country. So what will be the next answer for the next gap? So now next gap, heroes of our country. Our freedom fighters are the real heroes of our country. Now this sentence is fulfilled and meaning of this sentence is also fulfilled. So do you understand? I think you are all understand my line and also complete this gap. So now number C. So we should remember them as they next sacrificed their lives. Them as they sacrificed their lives for next gap D. Lives for gap causes of our motherland. So what will be the causes? Next D. So the causes of our motherland. Now next gap is subject is it. Now gap fill that next a matter of great. So obviously it is a matter of great regret that most of them are neglected and our young generation does not so now knew about their valiant struggle. Valiant means বিরুদ্ধপূর্ণ. It today many of the real freedom fighters have not been found. Find থেকে হচ্ছে found. F-O-U-N-D. Found out and established. Some of them lead very poor life. The authority in power should take right step to enlist them, and this is the last gap. So give them proper honor. So dear students, I think you are all understand to realize the meaning, realize the passage of this meaning, that this passage is about our real freedom fighters activities and thought about our real freedom fighters. So now next work for you, this is homework. So now for homework for you. So these words you must write down it in your khata and write the similar meanings. This is your for homework. So if you do this or know the similar meaning, you can fill in the gaps another passage or any unknown passage. One thing, take it mind it easy, and that if you know the meaning of these words, so you will have to fill in the gaps easily. So knowing the vocabularies is the main topics or main system to fill in the gaps, and take it easy and keep it in your mind. So don't worry and don't be hesitated. So write down these words in your khata and write down the similar words. This is for your homework. You must do this at your home. Do you understand? So be safe at your home again, and thank you very much. And I will take the next class for the question number 2. So thanks for you being stay with my class, and I hope you will be stay at my next class next time. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.